Today I'm having a wax session. As you can see, there is a hair growth on my hands as well as on legs. These are hair on my legs. First, wash and dry the area you want to wax and then lightly dust baby powder or cornstarch to absorb excess moisture. For soft wax, place a waxing strip over the wax and press firmly. Pull it off quickly against the direction of hair growth while holding the skin taut. And if you are using hard wax, then once the wax is firm but still flexible, lift the edge and pull it off in one quick motion. Here I am using Rica wax. For Rica wax, place a waxing strip over the wax and press firmly. Hold your skin taut and pull the strip quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth. Before waxing, there should be no sweat or moisture on the skin. Do not use Rica wax on broken or irritated skin. Avoid hot showers and tight clothing for 20 hours after waxing. Exfoliate a day before waxing to prevent ingrown hairs. Regular waxing reduces hair growth over time. See, waxing is going on here as you can see. I'm telling you one thing here. Use a wooden spatula to apply a thin, even layer of wax in the direction of hair growth. Unlike regular wax, Rica wax does not require multiple layers. This wax should be applied in a single layer. If you do not have baby powder, you can use cornstarch instead. Once waxed get done, use a post-wax oil or moisturizer to remove any wax residue and soothe the skin. Now repeat well. After waxing, you can use aloe vera gel or any other moisturizing or soothing cream on skin. If you like the video, give it a like. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.